Welcome to Project Vayner episode 16. Welcome to Project Vayner episode 16. Welcome to Project Vayner. Project Vayner episode 16, the documentation of my journey as a content creator. First of all, I'm going to show you the YouTube tracker here on the left. I have 223 subscribers at the moment. It's the same as the last week, and that's how it is some weeks. It stands still, but as long as you're developing and keep learning new things, you will move forward. Also, the Instagram stories from the week will be rolling here on the side. I picked up a couple of things this week, both in Premiere Pro and After Effects. I also learned that I could install an app on the Sony camera that I use at work, which made it possible to film more than 30 minutes in a row, which is not possible when you buy the camera. So that's really good for filming events and stuff when you want to film longer period of time. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've learned in Premiere Pro this week, and instead of just sitting here and talking about it, I thought it would be easier to just show them on the computer. So let's jump right into Premiere Pro. So now we're in Premiere Pro, and this is a couple of clips from this summer, and I'm going to start with showing you the scale to frame size. And if we go to this image, I have taken a screenshot and cropped it a little bit smaller just to show how it works. Now you can right click on this image, you can go to scale to frame size, and it will scale the image so it's taking up the full width. So you don't actually have to go to the scale and try to adjust. You can just right click, scale to frame size. There is also another way of doing this. You can right click and press set to frame size, and what that does is it changes the scale. So now you can see it says 122, so if you write down 100 here, it will go back to normal, but I will prefer doing scale to frame size, because now the new size is 100, and you can still go back to normal if you just click the same button again. So that's two different options on how you can use it. And then there is the comparison view, which is this button right here. And if you click that, you can compare two images with each other. So let's start with this one just to see. This is the first image. This is the second image where I have my playhead. So if you want the first image to be here, for example, you look at this time, 1:53:19. This is the easiest way, I think, to compare. You write down 1:53:19, enter, and then you just drag the playhead to what you want to compare it to. So for example, if you take this one, now you can change so you see them side by side. You can swap sides by clicking here. You can also click this one to see this on the left side and this on the right side, and you can click this one to see top and bottom. And you can also drag this middle handle to the right or to the left if you want to see more of one video and less of the other. And another thing that I've learned is how you can delete effects on multiple clips at the same time. So let's say you have the black and white on this and this, just to make it easy. You can see now that these two have effects because these boxes are purple. So if you hold down Shift and click this one, you have both selected. Right click, go up to remove attributes. Now you can remove everything by pressing OK, or you can move just the black and white by unchecking the other ones. Press OK. Now you can see that if you click this one, the black and white is gone, but the Lumetri color is still there. you click this one, same goes here. Yeah, that's the things that I wanted to show you that I learned this week in Premiere Pro. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I brought you some value in this episode. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing this vlog, not just to document my journey, but to actually bring value to the people that are watching this. So thanks again, and I hope to see you next week.